And then there was one. From a panel of 3 commissioners since its creation in September, the Independent Commission on Infrastructure, which the president ordered and mandated, would task to probe and recommend charges against suspects in the flood control scam. Only former judge and ICI head Andres Reyes remains active, with Commissioner Rosana Fajardo announcing her departure today from the panel at the end of the year. Our Harley Valbuena has more on her reasons as the ICI is poised to transition to the next phase of its mission.
Another commissioner of Independent Commission for Infrastructure or ICI has resigned. ICI Commissioner Rosana Fajardo. According to Fajardo, she submitted her courtesy resignation effective December 31, 2025 or the last day of the year. The outgoing commissioner then enumerated her contributions to the probe on anomalous flood control projects such as the gathering of evidence and supervising volunteer efforts, leading to recommendations for the improved government procurement process. Fajardo insists she was able to complete her task in the commission. Before Fajardo, former Department of Public Works and Highway Secretary Rogelio Babe Singson also quit as ICI Commissioner following the resignation of former ICI Special Advisor Benjamin Magalong. ICI Chairperson Andres Reyes Jr., Executive Director Brian Keith Hosaka, and current Special Advisor Rodolfo Azurin Jr. will be the only ones left in the Commission's executive body. Fajardo, meanwhile, believes the responsibility on investigation and filing of recommendations will now be turned over by the ICI to other agencies, such as the Department of Justice and Ombudsman. Chairman Reyes also confirmed the ICI will move to a transition phase. Reyes said they will now focus on finalizing remaining referrals to the Ombudsman to enhance cases to be filed in courts and holding accountable those involved in the anomaly. The Commission also took pride of its achievements, including the 8 referrals filed in Ombudsman and joint referrals with DPWH, where almost 100 individuals are implicated, including senators, congressmen, former and current DPWH officials, contractors, and the Commissioner of Commission on Audit. The ICI also initiated efforts to recover billions of pesos lost in the flood control scam. Fajardo, meanwhile, is confident the proposed creation of a more powerful independent commission against infrastructure corruption or Independent People's Commission will be effective in prosecuting those responsible for flood control anomalies. Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.